Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Karina.
Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen because
For dew effect, we're gonna start with MAC Strobe. I'm using the color gold in this one because color gold complements well with my tan skin. The MAC Strobe comes with 3 colors, I think. So they have pink, gold, and silver. The next step will be corrector. Here I'm using the dark peach corrector. I bought it in Bobby Brown. So since I have a lot of dark spot on my face, like under my eye, on the side of my face, and also on the side of my lips, I think the darker side of the lips is something like very Filipino. But anyway, corrector helps to hide those. And after that one, I'm using my MAC blending brush, but don't forget to blend it well so that it will be easier for us to apply our foundation and concealer later. The next step will be foundation. Here I'm using my MAC Studio Fix NC42. I like to use my foundation like this one. And then after this, I just gonna blend it with my white sponge. The white sponge that I'm using is, I actually bought it at the pharmacy and it costs only 50 cents. But if you want to buy the one bag, it only costs $3.50. Don't forget to blend it well. Okay, the next step will be concealer. Here I'm using my Maybelline Fit Concealer. I like this concealer because it's very easy to work with. After blending the concealer, the next step is we're gonna seal everything so that all the foundation, the corrector, and the concealer will not gonna move. And here this time I'm using my new SEPHORA banana powder, and I think this is the dupe of Binay banana powder. I just bought it the other day. I hope this one is as good as the Binay banana powder. For the eyeshadow, I'm using the dark gray color. I bought this in a Korean brand. I'm gonna write down below what the name of this brand. I just found it the other day. I found that they have a lot of color, but I only bought one because I would like to try first how is this look like, if is it worth the money. But so far, I think this is very good investment. It's not so cheap actually. It's $4 per one piece. But anyway, maybe later I'm gonna buy more color of this. They have a lot of nice color. They have the mauve, gold, bronze, but this time let's just try the gray one. So this time I'm actually using my finger because I have the feeling that this one will works well with the finger than the brush. After the second coat of the eyeshadow, so whatever left in your fingers here, I use this one, put them together and rub them together. Whatever left on your finger, actually you can use that as contouring. So basically one product, you can use it as eyeshadow, also for contouring. And this one I just decided to use it on my nose, not on my cheekbone. And after this one, I'm gonna use a very light color, which is the Wanderlust, just to blend my dark eyeshadow and to remove all those harsh lines. And after this one, you can just clean your fingers, and once again you can use your fingers. You can use your fingers for blending. Actually, you don't need a brush for this one. But if you would like to use the brush, you want to use the sponge, you're welcome to do so. Whatever your heart desire, you can use it. But for me, I would like to use my finger this time. And next time, I'm gonna show you also how I contour my nose using the brush and using the sponge. Now it's time to contour my cheek. I only use one product for contouring, which is the Benefits, and the color is HOLA Toasted. I like to tap the brush on my cheekbone when I do contouring. I don't like to rub the brush because I have the feeling that it will restore the foundation under. So I like to contour my cheek this way, on my temple area of my head, also my chin. I like to contour. And later we're gonna use a different kind of brush, and we're gonna blend them all together just to remove the harsh line. And for the blush on, I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty lipstick. So this color is Trophy Wife. I do love this color. But you can use this also as eyeshadow, blush on. So whatever kind of things you have in there. If you have lipstick, you can use this. You can also use it as blush on. It's not really only for one purpose. Lipstick, you can use it as blush on. And this time I'm gonna use my synthetic brush, because synthetic brush actually works well with this one. Just tap it, tap, 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 tap. This is the proper way that to use this one. If you like to rub it on your skin, it's up to you girls. But for me, I prefer to tap the product on top of my temple. As I said earlier, I don't like to rub anything on my face. Tapping is the key to a beautiful skin, char. For my eyebrows, I am not so fan of this very defined eyebrows. I like my eyebrows to be look natural and wild, so I only use mascara just to put everything on place. Otherwise, nothing at all. Otherwise, I'll just gonna brush them with a clear color. Now it's time for lipstick, but before the lipstick, I like to use lip balm because I have a very dry lips. Then after that, I'm gonna clean up whatever dirt on my hands, and then I'm gonna use a concealer just to cover those dark spots on my lips. And for the lip liner, I'm gonna use a Spice from MAC. If you're interested to know to the other product that I'm using, I'll just gonna write it down below on my description. Everything you need is in the description area, so just grab it there, guys. So this is our inspired makeup look. This is the first date makeup look, but you can use any kind of makeup that you like, but I just prepare it this way. But if you want to go with your red lips, no problem at all. Thank you for joining me, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and check some of my makeup tutorial also. Just click the link on the top of these videos. Join me next time on my next makeup tutorial. So good night or good day, wherever part of the world you are. Please stay safe. See ya.